Easier way to start my motor, since I can't, there's not room for me to get my foot in here anyway with this extra fence on here. Just start with a bicycle inner tube, an old bicycle inner tube, cut it at one end, and then you wrap it up on the extra shaft here. Make sure you wrap it and turn in the opposite direction that the motor spins in, so that when you pull it and it unwraps, it spins the motor in the proper direction. And you just wrap it all the way up. Okay. Now, one thing when you're cutting wood in a closed area like I'm in this garage, and especially when you're cutting wood with a bunch of cement on it, you definitely want to wear a good dust mask and safety glasses, because this room will be full of dust, big time, once I get started good. Anyway, all I'm going to do is flip the switch and pull my bicycle inner tube, and this motor should kick right off. So here we go. Look at that.
Namaste, Bye, Mommy.